Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you secret codes today. So we'll open up Dialer app to get started, and we'll start with email number. So you can check your email of the phone by inputting this code in. And now you see the email of the phone. Okay, so moving on, we'll go to service menu. And to do it, and I have the service menu where you can find different things. Oh, I'm going back one more. That's the service menu. From here I have basically test mode, service settings, and informations. Okay, so that's another one. Now moving on, it's gonna be calendar info. It's gonna be this code. And here, once you connect it to Gmail, you'll get basically different information associated with the calendar that are associated with the Gmail that you are logged into. Okay, so moving on. Last one would be the debug info for Google Play service, and that is going to be and here you get basically information about it. Okay. So that's that. So these are all the secret codes for this phone. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.